Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to today's science class. In the last class, we started chapter 3, and today we are going to discuss about the role of various parts of human urinary system, which is also commonly known as human excretory system. So before we start today's class, let's have a quick recap of the things which we have discussed already in the last class. So in the last class, we discussed about the process of excretion. So what is excretion? The process by which metabolic waste is removed from our body is called excretion. We already discussed what are metabolic wastes, the wastes which are produced at the cellular level, that is, which are produced in the cells after carrying out some metabolic processes, and hence they are called metabolic waste. Then we also discussed in brief about the excretory system. It is a system, or it is the organ system that helps to remove the metabolic waste from our body, and so they are called excretory system because they help to remove the metabolic waste. Then we also discussed in brief about the excretory organs like kidney, skin and lungs. We also discussed the role in very briefly. We have discussed the role like kidneys, they filter blood and remove the waste in the form of urine. Then skin, it removes the excess salt and water in the form of sweat. And then also we discussed about lungs. So lungs, they remove carbon dioxide as the exchange of gases takes place in the lungs. So now let us start today's class with the topic human excretory system. So already we have discussed little bit about it in the previous class. So this is the human excretory system, or we can also call this as urinary system, since it is mainly concerned with the excretion of urine. So how urine is formed and then how it is taken out from the body, it's all about that. So therefore it is also known as urinary system. So the excretory system organs, or the human excretory system organs, include a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. So here you can clearly see that there are two kidneys. This is the one and this is the other one. Then the kidney is connected to the ureters on both sides, so we have a pair of ureter as well. And then we have this part which is called urinary bladder. So this is the bladder where the urine comes in, or the urine is stored here, and when the bladder is filled with the urine, then we have a sensation of expelling out this urine. So that urine comes out through the opening which is called urethra. So let us just discuss each of them in brief. So now what a pair of kidneys. So they are two bean shaped structures located near our stomach. So as we can already see, they are bean shaped. So these are bean shaped. So these kidneys, we can clearly see they are bean shaped. Then we have pair of ureters. Now then let's talk about the pair of ureters. So ureters are also like pipe-like. So they are pipe-like structure, and one ureter is attached to each kidney. So as we can see here, so this is the pipe-like structure known as ureter. So each ureter is attached with one kidney each. So this ureter brings the urine from the kidney to the bladder. So it brings the urine from the kidney to the bladder. So this is the function of ureters. So they are pipe-like structure. So it basically carries the urine and sends it to the bladder. Then the next part is urethra. So it is a pipe-like structure. Next part is urinary bladder. So it is a bag-like structure that expands as it fills with urine. So it is a balloon shaped when filled. So we can see again, this is a bag-like structure. This is a round bag-like structure, and so let me just point. So this is the round bag-like structure, and it when it fills with the urine, it expands like a balloon, and when it is filled totally, we have a sensation of urinating. So the urine comes out through this last opening, which is known as urethra. So urethra is the opening through which the urine comes out. So the last part is urethra. It is a pipe-like structure at the end of the bladder, and it opens outside the body. So it is an opening that helps the urine to come out. So this is a brief description of the human excretory system. And then in the next class we'll discuss about certain disorderness when the kidney stops functioning, or the symptoms when there is a kidney failure. So with this we come to the end of today's class. Thank you, my dear students.